Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and Me. Today we are going to be making these really easy to make and really delicious garlic cheesy slices. This is a healthy recipe with less ingredients, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So we will be using 4 slices of bread, 100 grams of butter, some sandwich masala, a few slices of cheese, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, and some freshly chopped parsley and coriander. Firstly, we're going to melt the butter and crush our garlic cloves like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of our ingredients together. So that's our garlic, coriander, red chili flakes and parsley. So just to give them a good mix. Then we're going to take our bread and apply our spread to the bread. We're going to make sure we give it a nice generous coat of the spread. This will give it loads of flavours and it's also got like this deep taste to it. So once you've applied the spread, we're going to sprinkle some chaat masala onto it. And then on top of this, we're going to add on our cheese slice. You could make this a bit more cheesier and add in a few cheese slices if you would like. It's totally to taste. So then we're going to take another bread piece and just butter it up and make a sandwich like this. We're going to make another one in the same way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grill our 2 sandwiches. Once they're grilled, they're going to have this nice golden brown crust, and we're just going to cut them up like this so they can be like cheesy sticks almost. This is our recipe of the garlic cheesy slices, and it could easily impress any guest or could work as a quick midday snack. I hope you've liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!